How to change videos language on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change videos language on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on profile, those three buttons up there top. Now click on setting and privacy. Now keep search until you find content preference. Click on videos language and tap on add language and choose the language you want. Like I'm gonna choose English and click on done. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.